Well, this is how it looks from the road, and that's Dave's panels showing there, almost surrounded with trees here, but it's a pretty good setup. So you guys can see, zooming out far away, it's my car over there, the neighbor's house, and zoom all the way in. That's how it looks like from Dave. So we're able to put the panels on this side here, over there, because there's a big tree in front. So we decided to bring them here facing true south. If you see from this end right here, right there, we're about to put those two panels there, but it was impossible because of the panels are too long. See, that's Dave coming right there, and the panels are right there. So it was a challenge, but we make it possible. And so you had that open window. If I'm spinning the camera all the way to this end, so this is how we look at it. Sorry for the movement. And that's the garage. This spot pit right there, that's where we're about to put the two panels like I was telling you guys, but they're way too long, the way they can fit. So that area was the perfect side, unless there's a form of a little bit smaller panels like 250s, which are 60 inches. That'll work. 60 inches or maybe 36. So when I say 60 inches, 60 cells, that's what I meant, 60 cells. But it would have been perfect with 36 cells at the front. So that's how it looks like, just giving it from the road, Dave's solar system. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and always share my videos. Love you guys all. Stay tuned for more videos to come live from this area.